Hey everybody, this is Wendy. Welcome. So excited that you're here with me today because I have the July class to go to show you. This class is so cute. I just love all the cards that we came up with. I do this class with a fellow demonstrator and I think every single card is adorable, and this month we added this little 3D project. So you can do this little pizza box project and have a little 3x3 card that will fit inside, which is super cute, and you get one of each of those, and then you get two of each of the other cards that you see here. These three, you'll get two of each for a total of 8 projects. So all of these are part of our class to go. It is $32 to purchase the entire class to go, the exclusive videos, and the Treehouse Adventure stamp set. If you want to get the little elephant bundle as well, you can do that and add that on. And this is the little stamp set that comes with it for $32. If you just want the kits, you can spend 25 bucks. But the great thing is if you spend just $7 more, you're getting this stamp set. So it's kind of like getting a stamp set for 7 bucks. I hope you're interested. The link is below. So if you're interested in purchasing this and signing up for this class, you can see all the details on my blog at the link below the video. If you have any other questions, leave me a comment or shoot me an email at wendy.cranford@live.com. Bye-bye.